Perfect. Now I'd like to get started on showing you the capabilities of the actual user profile. Now here we have a few different tabs. As you can see, we have the activity, profile, notifications, messages, friends, groups, forms, settings, personal, mentions, favorites, friends, groups. We have a lot going on here. So just to kind of to show you everything step by step, if you click on activity, which here it's already kind of highlighted, but I'll go ahead and re-click. It'll show you all of your individual activities. So let's say that you registered, it'll show, or you added a friend, then that would show here as well. It'll show comments on a particular event. You can favorite the event, you can delete the event. If you go ahead and click on profile, you'll just kind of see your name, which is here. You can go ahead and change your avatar right here. So let's say I wanted to change my picture. I could go ahead and upload an image or go ahead and choose a file. Now let's say that I want to change it to something a little bit silly. I'll change it to that just to kind of show you how it works. I'll go ahead and click upload image. And let's say that I want to select where on the image I would like to highlight. I'll just go ahead and change this around. Pull this up in the corner, censor that, click crop image, and then voila. I now have a new avatar picture and it tells me that your new avatar was uploaded successfully. Fantastic. Now here it'll show up that I've indeed gone ahead and changed my profile picture as of 1 second ago. Now I'll go ahead and click on profile once again. And click on notifications. Now here, as you can see, I don't really have any notifications, but if I did, of course they would be in that column or that section. Messages, I don't have any messages as of yet either, but if I did, it'll show who sent the message. It would have like a little reply button as well. And then it shows my friends. So if I wanted to, I could cancel any one of these friendships. I could click on or filter by the newest registered, who registered first, which is here, or I'm sorry, which is here, versus who is registered last, which would be here. Groups, I'm not quite part of any groups, so this would also show up as no groups being found. And then the same thing for forms. And then for settings, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and change my password. It'd show me my current account email address, right? So let's say that I want to change any of these here. I want to change my email address or I want to change my password. I go ahead and I type in my current password. And I'm not going to show you exactly how this works now because it's fairly self-explanatory, but say I went ahead and I add in my password and say I want to change my email and I'd add in, yada 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 yada, hit save changes, and that will go ahead and give me a new password with a new account email. So it's a great way to go ahead and edit your profile. Or let's say that I want to go ahead and just delete my account altogether. I could go ahead and delete my account. If I clicked email notification, it would show me all of the options that I have. So let's say it says, send an email notice when a member mentions you in an update, when they reply to my comment or post. Now here, as you can see, all of these are clicked yes. So essentially I'm getting emails anytime anything occurs on my profile. But let's say that I'm not a huge fan of sifting through emails. I could just go ahead and click no, and then I won't receive any emails for any reason, and that's always a relief. And then I go ahead and I click Save Changes if I changed anything. Perfect. And now I'd just like to dive into the remaining tiles, which would be groups, forum, and blog. That's coming right up.